Welcome back. Been doing some of the wood rot work on the rear roof, but also came full circle and back to the porch post. Remember that from last year. So the big challenge today was I knew that there was rotten wood around the front of the post, so I dug that out, and this is essentially what it looks like. So as you can see, the carpenter ants got to the front of this post too. Fortunately, everything that I put on the back side, as far as the wood rot restorer and the wood filler, worked really well. If you can hear that, everything's still solid on the rest of the post, and even though some of the seams, some of the caulk is separated a little bit, I can caulk that back up and paint it. So everything's actually holding up very well. But now I figured, since I had the wood filler, or not the wood filler, the wood restorer, and I just did that on the back deck, that I'll be doing that up here just to come full circle and finish it up. But as you can see, if you let wood rot continue going, there would have been another damaging spot for this post, but in the front this time. So I'll give you an update on what everything looks like, but that shouldn't be too bad. I just had to let that wood restorer set for about 2 hours, then I can actually put wood filler on it, and I'll show you what that looks like. But these repair jobs are definitely helping out immensely, because instead of having to replace the entire porch post, it just takes a couple hours of work to knock out any issues. So stay tuned, more to come.